Hey guys, welcome back to M9. Recently I have been facing some issues with Gameloop emulator, and the only fix was to reinstall the emulator. I was trying to install Call of Duty, and even after fully downloading, it kept starting downloading again without installing. I tried 2 or 3 times and it didn't work. Other issue was slow loading of games like PUBG and some glitches while making the window full screen. Also in my previous video, I showed you guys how I fixed the loading screen issue. But it was not fixed for some of you guys, so the fix might be a clean reinstall. So let's start. First, go to Control Panel and uninstall Gameloop. Then, find the temp folder of Gameloop in the drive. If you are on limited internet that you can't install the game again, try this trick. I am not sure it will work or not, but it worked for me. Go to Mobile Games PC shared folder in temp and find the game that you have installed. It will be in a single APK format without OBB file. Trust me, I will show how it worked for me. Here I have already copied PUBG and pasted it some other folder. Now you can go and delete the temp folder. After that, open Run and follow the steps. You can search for Run and open from there, or press Windows key and R. Now go to gameloop.fun and download and open the setup. As the Gameloop servers are banned in India, the Gameloop will not download for those who are from India. For that, use any VPN like Windscribe or Proton VPN and connect to any servers other than India. Download will start after connecting to VPN. I am installing Call of Duty. By the time Call of Duty is installing, I will show how I can install PUBG with the APK that I copied earlier, so that I don't have to download it again. Go to My Games, then click on Others. Now there's a plus icon on the right, which says Add an App. Click on that and locate the app file that you've copied earlier. Open the APK file, and it must be installing automatically. After install, the game will open without any issues. I am not sure about this trick, but it worked for me. Call of Duty has been installed, and I will show you the file of Call of Duty in the mobile game PC shared folder, like the one we copied for PUBG. Here it is. Thank you guys for watching. My issues were solved after the reinstall. Call of Duty has been installed. PUBG taking too much time to load has been fixed.